Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now we'll begin with English class. Today we learn alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hello little friends, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing great. Now be ready with your English file, English book and your English notebook. Are you ready with your books? Now take out your English file. Open page number 5454. Have you all opened page number 54? On this page, we are going to learn a new sound, that is SH. What is the sound of SH? When ma'ams tell you to keep quiet, the sound comes shh. So the sound of SH is shh. What is the sound of SH? Now we will read the words with SH. Fish, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Ship, sh-e-p, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Shark, shark, S-H-A-R-K, shark. Sheep, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Shoot, shoot, S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Brush, brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush. And what is the sound of I-R? R. Shirt, shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Shape, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape. Now hold your pencils, hold it like this, sit properly with your back straight. We will write a word twice. Start writing with me, speak and write, children. Fish, fish, F-A-I-S-H, fish. Fish, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Fish, fish. Speak and write. Fish, fish. Done? Now write ship, ship. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Ship, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Done? Very good. Write the next word. Sh. And sound of AR is R. K. Sh. Ark. Shark. Sh. Ark. Shark. 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 Done? Come to the next word and write sheep. 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 All of you have done till here? Good job. Now come to the next word. Oot. Shoot. Oot. Shoot. Oot. Shoot. 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 Oot. Shoot. Done? Come to the next word. Brush. 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 Done? Write the next word. Shirt. 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 All of you have completed till here. Now write the last word. Shape. 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 Done? Now listen carefully. In this column you will practice these words again and again for more perfection. And when you complete the page, click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp group. Now be ready with your English notebook. Are you ready with your English notebook? Open a blank page in your English notebook. Today we are going to write the NG sound sentences. What we are going to write? NG sound sentences. And you already know the sound of NGs. Ng. So sit properly with your back straight and start writing with me. The first sentence is Wa'il. One finger gap between two words. Y-O-U-U. Sing. Sing. Question mark. This is a question, so we won't put full stop, we will put question mark. W-I-L-L, will. Y-O-U-U-S-I-N-G, sing. Will you sing? Done? Now leave one line gap between two sentences and write the next sentence. Write I will play the gong. Full stop. I will play the gong. I will play the gong. I will play the gong. Done? Shall we write the next sentence? Yes? Now write the king has a ring. Full stop. The king has a ring. The king has a ring. The king, king, has a ring, ring. The king has a ring. Done? Now leave one line gap in between two sentences and write the next sentence. The, as I told you, IR sound is R. Bird. Has. TWO2, wings. WINGS, wings. Full stop. THE, the bird. Has. TWO2, wings. The bird has two wings. THE, the BIRD, bird. has. TWO2, WINGS, wings. The bird has two wings. Done? Now again leave one line gap between two sentences and write the next sentence. bring, me, the, tong. Full stop. Bring, me, the, tong. Bring me the tong. bring, bring, me, the, tong. Bring me the tong. All of you have completed your work. Now listen carefully. You will repeat these sentences in these blank lines, and when you complete the page, click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp group. Keep practicing, keep learning. Take care.